Depends on how fast we upload this. So yeah, I totally fucked up.
Yep.
We were playing in Chicago at the House of Blues, and I got us an Airbnb in a cabin. It looks amazing in the pictures.
It did not look amazing.
No.
But he didn't show us the pictures. He was just like, it looks so amazing.
Wait,
Yeah, it
can I
looks-
tell this story from my perspective?
Okay.
Rotem needed to find a place to stay. I found a hotel that was it was discounted. It was very cheap. It was good. It was in between tonight's gig and tomorrow's gig.
Uh-huh.
I was like, Rotem, this place is perfect and it's on sale. Let's get it. And he was like,
No, me and my girlfriend found a place and
I don't
it is
have a
cool.
girlfriend.
It is cool. It is in the woods. It's in a magical cabin, and we will go.
and I was like, where is it? He was like,
It's in the same place as the hotel.
I was like, you don't know where the hotel is. He goes,
It's in the same town.
I was like, all right, it's in Belvedere. He's like,
Yes.
here we are, ladies and gentlemen, in a cabin in the woods. There's no sheets.
I mean, I guess
there's no
the
blankets.
cabin is nice. Okay, the cabin is cool. The problem
There's no
is
fucking bathroom.
there are no sheets. That's shitty. And then there are no blankets. So this is kind of hardcore. I fucked up.
You fucked up.
I fucked up.
You done fucked up, kid.
Yeah, but the gig was fun.
Sure was.
Yeah, and onward and upward. Yeah, well, this is it for tonight. You're gonna sleep. Fuck. Alright. So basically just make sure there are sheets. That's the shit. Alright.
Just if you are
Just
getting
trust Eva.
Just
or
trust Eva.
if you're getting an Airbnb and you've never been anywhere in America, just
Uh-huh.
consult with anybody who's been anywhere in America.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair. Although I've never seen an Airbnb without sheets.
Yes, but plenty of people who are not you have.
Okay, that's fair. That's fair. All right, calling it out. I mean, recalling.
Calling.
All right, good night, y'all.
Sweet dreams.
All right, so just as a continuation, so there are no blankets, and he was like, well, we have curtains, but now the curtain is a blanket.
That's right, guys.
That's like so hardcore. I mean, we only need like for a few hours, but yeah, I feel bad. But this is.
We'll put him back
but this
before
is
we leave.
no, I feel bad that we need to do this.
Oh.
But I don't give a fuck with that. But yeah, that's kind of amazing. So yeah, basically a curtain is a blanket. Great.
I kind of
Namaste.
actually just put it on the bed.